In the next few minutes, you'll learn the qualities of a good meme stock and discover stocks that could be developing towards meme stock status, potentially unlocking huge profits while creating new references at the intersection of finance and internet culture. Stocks like iRobot, Peloton, Beyond Meat, GoPro, Luminar, Workhorse, and Pony AI all hold meme stock potential. All of them have the most important criteria of memeability, meaning catchy phrases can be made about a stock based on the stock's name and/or the context of its business and situation. This is often done through the combination of cultural references and a play on the stock's name. Workhorse and Pony AI are prime examples with the vast amount of references that can be made to charging horses and rallying cries based around stampedes and saying giddy up. Similarly, Peloton Power, Peloton Pump, and Go Go GoPro are examples of what essentially amount to bullish chants based on the names of the stocks and their businesses serving active and extreme activities. Then stocks like iRobot and Luminar can lean into the vast universe of science fiction to make good use of the eternal fear and fascination humans have of machines rising up to supplant humanity. While Beyond Meat can benefit from rhymeability to add extra spice to potential memes that would no doubt revolve around cooking and raising the temperature to heat the meat. Secondly, a meme stock also spawns from existing or potential short interest, whereby there's plenty of interest in keeping the stock's price down based on some fundamental business reasons that are usually set forth by institutional investors. For instance, Peloton, iRobot, Beyond Meat, and GoPro run distinctly different businesses, yet they have the commonality of once being popular, almost household names, which eventually fell out of the spotlight and into hardship due to fundamental market shifts that led to a devastating decline for their products and services, resulting in an enormous mismatch between supply and demand, as well as a shrinking customer base and rising debt. On the other hand, companies like Luminar, Workhorse, and Pony AI are usually newer and don't usually suffer from doubts surrounding their ability to recover to their peak prime prices. Rather, they attract great optimism and skepticism due to being unproven, usually in terms of the technology they're developing and/or highly ambitious business models that call for immense and rapid commercialization at scale. So whether it's an older company that's been beat down or a newer business trying to lift off the ground, it's absolutely crucial high memeability is present to drum up support and courage to buy and hold in the face of overwhelming odds. It's also vital for a meme stock to have the third characteristic of remote possibilities and factors for a turnaround, meaning real, albeit remote reasons exist to dispel bearish sentiment, so that tangible support can build around efforts to overcome fundamental challenges, holding down the stock prices of these companies and the so-called true potential of their businesses. For example, emphasizing the viability, safety, and commercial potential of Luminar and Pony AI for self-driving cars can raise optimism about the usefulness of their products and services, thereby increasing support for investors to buy in and stay for the awaited successful launch of their products and services into the market at scale. Similarly, pointing to possible shifts in consumer preferences brought about by emerging market trends and new product launches can revive real support for companies like Beyond Meat and iRobot, resulting in rising stock prices and renewed support for their efforts to adapt and reclaim their former glory. The seeds have been planted, now spread the word to grow what could be the most massive meme stock yet. And to learn more about each company mentioned here, check out the individual videos for each of them that have already been uploaded. For more on potential meme stocks, as well as other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.